Hi guys, this video is an extension to the previous video, part number 1 of the Dihybrid cross video series. If you haven't checked that one out yet, you should, because this video will make much more sense after watching that video. I'll leave the link in this video's description. So in the previous video we found out that all the seeds, the progenies of that particular Dihybrid cross have the same phenotype, which is yellow and smooth. So we were wondering, what if we had a different set of parents that had a different set of genotypes? What would their offspring be like in terms of phenotypic characteristics? So the new set of genotypes that I've chosen is this. As you can see, the combination of the alleles in each of these two genotypes is different from that in the first video. So it's safe to assume that the phenotype of this cross is likely to be different than in the first one. It may also be similar. Let's find out. We're still working with the seeds of the pea plant, so recall that the G here, the uppercase letter G, is dominant over the lowercase letter g. And the uppercase letter W here is dominant over the lowercase w here. So the phenotype of this parent is going to be yellow, and it's also going to be wrinkled, which will look something like this because of the big G here and the pair of small w. This other parent, however, is going to be green and smooth due to this pair of small g and the big W here. The idea is to find out what phenotype of the offsprings will this set of parents will produce. Will they be different or the same as the first one? So we'll see. As always, the first step of doing the hybrid cross is to turn the genotypes into the haploid sets. So this G is going to be paired with this W and this W as well. Then the second G here is going to be paired with this W and this W. Apply the same method for this second genotype as well. So the second step is to fill in the boxes. What we want to do here is to pair up these haploid sets. So for instance, the first box here will be big G, small g, and big W, small w. This box here will be big G, small g, big W, small w, which is the same as the first box. Let's fill in the rest of the boxes. So for the looks of it, all the possible offspring are going to have the same genotypes, which means their phenotype are going to be the same. And that phenotype is going to be yellow and smooth. Every progeny that these two parent genotypes create, the phenotypic traits will always be yellow and smooth due to their inherited genotypes.